In today's video, I will walk you through how to control who can add you to groups on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram gives you control over who can add you to groups, helping you avoid unwanted invitations and spam. By adjusting this privacy setting, you can decide whether anyone can add you to a group, only your contacts can do so, or whether specific people should always be allowed or blocked. In this video, I'll show you how to change this setting. To begin, open Telegram and go to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security. This section contains the privacy controls for your account, including the option that manages group invitations. Look for the Who Can Add Me setting and open it. Here, you'll see the available options for controlling who can add you to groups and channels. One option is Everybody. If you select this setting, any Telegram user can add you directly to a group or channel, provided there aren't any other restrictions in place. Another option is My Contacts. This limits direct invitations to people you've saved in your contact list. Telegram also supports exceptions, giving you even more control over your privacy. For example, you can also create a Never Allow list to prevent certain people from adding you, regardless of your primary privacy setting. After selecting your preferred option and configuring any exceptions, Telegram automatically saves your changes. There's no need to press a Save button, and your updated privacy preferences take effect immediately. If you find that you're receiving unwanted group invitations, it's a good idea to review this setting regularly. Keep in mind that even if someone can't add you directly, they may still be able to send you an invitation link. You can then decide for yourself whether or not you want to join the group. And that's how to control who can add you to groups on Telegram. By adjusting this privacy setting and using exceptions when needed, you can better manage your group invitations and keep your Telegram experience more secure and organized.